In this episode, I am participating in an open invitation collaboration. If you want to know more, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello, everyone. I'm Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, decorating on a budget. Now, as I said before, I am participating in an open invitation collaboration. Now, this collaboration is called Love Your Home 2023, and it is hosted by Marilyn at Marilyn's Cozy Lifestyle. Now, all she asked us to do was to clean her area in her home, and today we're focusing on the bedroom. So, if you want to see how mine turns out, you know what to do. Stick around. just want to make my bed up and let you see how I make my bed and put on 2 duvets. Yes, I put on 2 duvets because when I use this one, I can see through it. I don't like to see through it. So I put a flat one on, then I put the one on with the pattern. Now I'm going to bring you up close so you can see the pattern on this duvet. Okay, the pattern on this duvet, I love it. But you can see through it, so that's why I put the other one on it. I put 2 on to give it the white that I want to go with how I want the bed set up. Now, this is just for now, but once I get everything else in here that belongs in here, I will show you the rest of the room. Let me know what you think of the 2 duvets. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link down below, and you be blessed.